So guys, now we are going to put in the new dashboard. I already took the old dashboard out and the cage extension. I already took everything apart because we have to redo the holes right here on the cage. We have to make them a little bit bigger. We have to modify the brackets here as well from the seat console because they don't fit really good. I took out the air ducts already from the old dashboard and the new dashboard. So guys, I'm gonna reveal the new dashboard right now. As you can see, that's the old one. I already took some parts away and put it on a new one, and yeah, here we go.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Guys, we are going to close the air vent or air duct or however you want to call it right here, because we don't need it anymore, as you saw before, because of the dashboard with the 3 holes where the gauges go in. No air is coming out there, so we are just gonna close it so more air goes to the left and right side and no air goes out here. We're going to close it with I don't know how you call it, with just I'm gonna put that inside so everything is closed good. And so I pointed the stuff on the edges so it doesn't move away, and now we're just going to put it around it so no air goes out. I took out the air ducts from the new one because they were broken a little bit and they are really dirty inside, so I took the old one from the old dashboard. I took them in, I closed the air duct inside right here because I don't need air anymore here, because usually the air comes out here as well, but I closed it because I don't need it anymore. And by the way, that's not from mine, that was the previous owner. So guys, I fitted everything with the dashboard together to give you guys a look how it looks like. So guys, I would say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. and see you guys soon when the seat belts are inside the car and the interior got painted. So thanks for watching and see you guys. Peace out.